Welcome to another process video from Freddie and myself. Let's slow stitch some fabric postcards. They're great for beginners and they're also great for people that have been sewing for years but just want a gentle, relaxing project. Let me pull you closer so you can see. I'm starting with some wadding and a postcard because I'm going to send these through the mail. Yes, they do arrive. I'll back it with cardboard, but yeah, they do arrive. Let's rehearse some fabric, shall we? Oh, I've got some little bits here. A lovely pile of just fabrics I chose out that I thought would go nicely. So, like a little patchwork here, a grandma's patchwork blanket. I made these last week, I think it was. My Slowstitch ephemera. I'll link the video below. Just on a cotton sheet. Used the ink stamp and watercolour paint. I've got two little tulips here in the garden. They're lovely. So then let's just, yeah, there we are. And that now is ready to take anywhere. Into the lounge, have a rest. I'm going to be using just a simple stitch. Could even take this up to Ben's. I'm gathering up just little bits and pieces of fabric, but of course I can't reach the fabric now because Freddie's on them. Don't worry, the pins are over here. My cup of tea. Well, we'll just have a little relax then. Snip this bit off here, and that can go on another one. Not wasted. Oh, I'm not showing. Put it up there so, oh, that bit's not showing. Oh well. There we are, and let's just, there's that there. Let's just pull this piece into the picture. Let's just put like a photo corner, maybe there. Oh, and another one at the top, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, no, however you choose to do it. Pin these all on. Got a knot in the bag. I'm just literally doing an up and down stitch. I'm not worrying about they're all different lengths or, yeah, or in the, there's no right or wrong place. Because, oh, I do think they just look so rustic, and when you start it's all floppy and look, there's all the stitches on the back. Yeah, and it just gives such a lovely quilty feel to the piece. Yes, just simply put the needle up and then down. Oh, take a nice breath and I'm taking a nice sip of tea. Very nice. Sometimes life can be complicated, full of changes. But I think if you slow stitch for a while, these stitches can get quite meditative, really. You can just sit and relax. And you're making a beautiful piece of fabric. What have you been sewing, Flo? Oh, it's lovely. You've sewn the rabbits on and the straps of your dress. Wonderful. It's really coming on. Oh, and Jennifer, the pocket on your dress is all sewn up now. So handy. I'm going round each patch with a stitch. Oh yes, for this I'm using embroidery thread. It comes in 6 strands. Use the thread you have. I've been using 3. I break it in half using 3 strands, and I'm using the wonderfully big-eyed sharp point Chanel needle. It goes through the wadding so nicely. This vintage spool, thread spool, had beautiful golden thread on it. I'm drawing round it because I like to have all different shapes and types of spools, so I'll keep using that. But on our greetings card here, isn't it gorgeous? I'll be using these pictures, but I'm going to use this. Oh, I'm using my fabric scissors. Oh, that's a big no-no. Oh dear, what do I like? It blunts the fabric scissors if you use them on paper. So I'll just cut round here. They have a little cut, where is it? Here. Oh, this is the bottom. Goes at a slant. That's so you can tuck the thread in. And then I can wind my thread onto here. Oh, because it really gets in a tangle if you don't do this. Even now I'm getting in a tangle. I've got the round one here. I'm just experimenting what to do. I've got this gorgeous embroidery onglay. It needs something behind it though. So I've got this gorgeous fabric here. Let's try this. Hold on. Oh, and that'll show through. Let's have a look. Just cut and pin that, and yeah, just another lovely postcard to sit and relax and sew. Oh, all these little edges, I can pop in my little bits and pieces of thread and yarn. I might make this into a round. You see, just see how you feel as you're doing it. Because seriously, there is no right or wrong. They just seem to look cute. Plenty texture. I think whatever you do, it's just gorgeous. Oh, let's put those little bits in there. These are great for little sewing projects. I've got quite a few of those. I can link those below. or for stuffing. Oh, that's colourful and busy, but yeah, let's try it. Pin that. I'm making a fabric postcard.
Okay.
And you actually can post them through.
Oh, okay.
So it's whimsical.
And practical. It's very practical.
Absolutely.
It is.
I just thought, oh, I think I'm going to try these, my lovely Colours of Kindness wax crayons on the fabric, and they work really nicely actually. And the colour blends. And the pen actually works on them. So, yeah. There might be other. Yeah. What ideas have you got? Yeah. When that's ready, I need some card. Here's some card from a tea box. And I am going to ask Serafina, if she will help me sew this on, so it's nice and firm to go through the letterbox. Now, if you haven't got a machine, don't worry. You can glue this on with heavy glue. Thank you, Serafina. It's nice to have these bits of time together, isn't it? These moments. I've got another cup of tea here. And some marmalade toast. Nice treat. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. I'll be finishing up these postcards gently today. I've also been crocheting. I do find that really relaxing. Making little journals I find really relaxing. And my crochet, it's the flower stitch. I think you've seen it before, but I've made some more squares this week. No pressure on myself, no deadline. As I always say, create what makes your heart happy. It's your bit of time just for you when you create. And then sometimes life is a bit tough and it's your time just to watch people create. We'll create. So you can just sit back and breathe, maybe close your eyes. And shall we light a candle? Yes, this is just our bit of time. Our time to shine. Our time to take a nice breath and slow down. Take good care, everyone. Bye. Oh, there's not many left. You have what's left. Here we are. Safe journey, little fabric postcard. Thanks for waiting, Fred. Should we go to the park now?
Oh, what's going on, Fred? Hello? Right, okay. Now, we're going to go away from Freddie and go to some craft. Or we could just tell Freddie.
I know. Don't choose. Ben, would you like to know what I'm making?
Here we go.
I'm making a fabric postcard.
Okay.
And you actually can post them through.
Oh, okay.
So it's whimsical.
It's practical. It's very practical.
Absolutely.
It is.
We could have
Now, here's the thing that I
question.
want you to do, okay?
Yes.
I don't want you using a pen on these.
Oh,
You've got to embroider.
I embroider them. Yeah. Can you imagine? You could actually do. I'm not going to.
No, that's a lot of
or
work.
you could make a fabric and then stamp the letters on. You know, because I do stamp out letters.
Yeah.
Oh, but stamp out the address, embroider the. No, you take me too far now.
That's not practical now.
That's not. I mean, can you imagine?
It's whimsical though.
Yeah, it's like it'll take.
So who are you sending this to? Are you sending this to someone?
Yeah, it will be. They go all over the world, darling.
You put roses on there.
Tulips, actually.
Oh, tulips. Okay, tulips. Yeah, obviously.
Yes.
I like how you've already. Are you going to try and send it without getting you say it's already been stamped?
Oh, it's all postmarked.
It's already been postmarked.
November.
It's probably like
5 cents. Is it? Oh no, €5, I think.
Oh, that might be 5, like old money.
5e? No.
I don't know.
I don't know. Well, you can.
Are you making
finish
another
now.
one?
I'm making another one. Yeah, just simple stitches.
Mum tells me when to stop recording. You can finish now.
Oh dear.
There's Freddie. Oh, he looked over.
Actually.
Oh, here we go.
Can you stop it?
Oh, this is what she does. You've got to keep this in now.
No. Oh yeah, no. So if you stop it now and
I'm
then
not going to stop it.
give it to me now.
All right, I'll stop. Mum's putting a request for a close-up. Bet she'll cut that bit out. Or get rid of my voice. She'll put music over it.
I'd like a bit with not speaking because this is just for the intro. This is literally just a 3-second intro. If you could just not speak for 3 seconds.
Well, you're doing it now.
Just goes in there. Oh, sorry. Thank you, darling.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, because he can be doing this as well.
See how close we can get. Oh wow, really close.